Hello and welcome to another tutorial for the INKAS Configure Price Quote CPQ system used by the company. Today we're showcasing an app for price maintenance of configured products with the QuoteManager. It begins in the BOM editor. This is not yet a configurator function, but an editorial tool in the INKAS Cockpit area. Here I have maintained all the options, i.e., all the materials that are required for my product for the later price calculation in the actual configurator. To learn more about the Bill of Materials editor, click here. Here I have maintained all price-relevant materials of my product. I call up the QuoteManager via the cockpit. Now I can import materials as an Excel table with prices in the QuoteManager. Now I import the prices as an Excel table. After that, I import all customer-specific discounts, and finally I import the customer information. I am able to handle the customers through this. Save 3 imported contents using the orange icon, 1 for each, respectively. In QM, I can utilize the filtering, sorting, and searching functionalities to narrow down your results by keywords. Take advantage of these tools to enhance your user experience and optimize your search process, finding the information you need efficiently and effectively. I select the development system via the cockpit on which I want to test the current configurator state. I rate the configurator that I created earlier with the INKAS apps without any programming knowledge. Now the end user can, for instance, a sales representative who creates an offer for a specific customer can generate a product variant with a customer-specific price in the configurator. Here I must define the customer in the price overview. For a fictional customer named Hans Meyer, price overview displays list prices. If I choose customer, I'll see customer-specific prices as I have them stored. Also manage QuoteManager while displaying it. Am I a sales representative? The price calculation also shows me the costs, which I can also hide. We will show you what the generated offer looks like in the next video. However, I download the price overview using the price overview button. We can adapt the template for the price overview to fit your content needs and visually fulfills all of your wishes and meets all of your desires. Tutorial for QuoteManager of INKAS product suite. Thank you for watching.